YouTube video script, How to Learn AI for Free, Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn AI but don't want to spend money or sit through boring courses, this video is for you. I'm going to break down a simple step-by-step plan to learn AI for free and at your own pace. And trust me, you don't need to be a programmer or math genius to do this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start, what to learn, and how to build real AI projects fast. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understanding AI. First, you need a basic understanding of AI, but don't get lost in technical details. What is AI? It's just software that learns from data to make decisions. Machine learning is AI that recognizes patterns and improves over time. Large language models power chatbots like ChatGPT by predicting the next word in a sentence. Free resources. Watch a beginner-friendly AI explainer video on YouTube. Take a free AI crash course from DeepLearning.AI. You just need a high-level overview. Don't get stuck here. Step 2. Learn basic Python. Next, you need to know a little bit of Python, which is the most popular programming language for AI. But don't worry, you only need the basics: variables, loops, and functions. Object-oriented programming APIs. This is key for using AI tools. Free resources. Automate the boring stuff with Python. Free online book. Python crash course on FreeCodeCamp, YouTube. You don't need to master Python. Just learn enough to use AI tools. Step 3. Use AI models with APIs. Here's the shortcut most people miss. Instead of building AI models from scratch, just use existing AI models through APIs. For example, OpenAI's API lets you build chatbots, content generators, and automation tools. Other APIs can generate images, summarize text, or even edit videos. Free resource. Take the Prompt Engineering for Developers course from DeepLearning.AI. It's only an hour long. Once you know how to use APIs, you can start building real AI projects right away. Step 4. Build your first AI project. Now it's time to build something. Start with a small, useful AI tool. If you're in real estate or sales, try these project ideas: an AI chatbot that answers FAQs about buying or selling a home, a solar savings calculator that helps clients estimate their energy bill savings, an AI email assistant that drafts responses for client inquiries. You can build and launch one of these projects in just a few weeks, even if you are a complete beginner. Step 5. Learn machine learning basics. Now that you've built something, it's time to understand how AI actually works. Learn about supervised versus unsupervised learning. Understand basic algorithms like decision trees and neural networks. Use FreeCodeCamp or Josh Starmer's YouTube channel to learn the fundamentals. You don't need a PhD, just focus on the basics. Final step. Dive deeper. Optional. Once you're comfortable, you can go deeper into natural language processing, AI for chatbots and automation, computer vision, AI for image recognition and analysis, deep learning, advanced AI models, free resources, Stanford's free machine learning course on Coursera, deep learning specialization from Andrew Ng, free to audit Outrow. So there you have it, a step-by-step roadmap to learn AI for free. Start small, build real projects, and learn as you go. Drop a comment if you're excited to start learning AI. Subscribe for more AI and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.